In this video, let's see how to create, save, and open a graphics page in Plant SCADA. On the left-hand side menu, in the Plant SCADA Studio, click on the button to launch the Graphics Builder editor. When the Graphics Builder is launched, click on the button File and then select New. Then, click on the button Page, and in the new dialog presented, select what type of page you want to create. In the style, we can select Situational Awareness. This is the group of templates that is going to be used. In the Resolution drop-down menu, you can select the screen resolution for your page. Next, you can select whether your page will be linked or not, using the checkbox Linked. You can leave it checked in order to maintain the link with the original template.
Continue with the full technical tutorial at ctiresources.com.my/knowledge-base.